Selamat pagi murid-murid. So, hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Melayu. Very good. Okay, murid-murid, hari ini hari apa? Hari ini hari Selasa. Tarikh hari ini adalah 29 hari bulan Jun 2021. Okay, children, so we take our new Bahasa Melayu textbook, which is Bahasa Melayu buku 4. Okay, we just start to open page number 1. Are you ready, children? Very good. So make sure write the day and date. Okay. Okay. After you write the day and date, okay, there are no any words on your pages, right? On your page, right? Okay. This is we are going to listen the different kind of sounds in the town. Okay. So unit 1. Mari ke bandar. Okay, bandar is the town, which is we already learned in English, right? In town. So in Bahasa Melayu, we going to learn mari ke bandar. Okay, if you are in the public, you got listen a lot of kind of the sounds, right? There are many noises there. You can hear many sounds, right? So that is we going to learn. Okay, in the picture you can see they are doing the different actions. Okay, so first teacher will play a sound, and then you guess the sound is who will make this sound. Okay, are you ready, children? Okay, this sound belong to which action? I mean, that means we belong to who? Yeah, it's belong to a bird. It's a bird sound. Okay, what is the bird sound? Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. Yeah, cheep, cheep is a bird sound. Are you ready to listen to a second sound? Very good. Okay, who will make this sound? It's a cat sound. And then what is the cat sound? Meow, meow. Yes, what is the bird sound? Cheep, cheep. Good. What is the cat sound? Meow, meow. Okay, so bird, what we call in Bahasa Melayu? Burung. Burung make chip chip. Kucing make meow meow. Okay? Okay, and the next sound. Okay, so which action belong to which action? Yeah, it's an ice cream man. Okay, the dato, the bell sound. Okay, the bell sound is ting ting, ting ting. Okay, bell. What we call bell in Bahasa Melayu? Loceng. Loceng. Burung. Cicik. Kucing. Meow meow. Loceng. Ting ting. Okay, very good. And then now, next sound. Yeah, I know you already know whose action is that. Yeah, it's a police. Okay, anggota police. It's a police making the whistle sound. Okay. And then what is the whistle sound? Preet, 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 preet. Yeah, and then the last sound is very good. It's a camera sound. Okay, when you take the picture, the camera will come out with this kind of a sound. We call click, 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 click. Okay, very good. So one more time. Cheep, cheep. Meow, meow. Preet, preet. Ting, ting. Click, click. Very good, children. Okay, children, so let's open page number 2. Okay, and then make sure write the day and day. Okay, nombor 1. Klinik gigi. Klinik gigi. Okay, klinik gigi is dental clinic. Okay, klinik gigi is dental clinic. Okay, dental clinic is if you have any problem in your teeth, you should go to klinik gigi because the dentist will take care your teeth. Okay, they will check and then they will take care your teeth. Okay, nombor 2. Balai polis. Balai polis. Balai poli is we already learned in English. It's we call police. Very good. Police station. Okay. So nombor 3. Pasar raya. Pasar raya. Okay. Pasar raya also we learned yesterday. It is supermarket. Pasar raya is supermarket. Very good. Okay. Let's go to number 4. Nombor 4. Bank. Bank. Bank is bank. Very good. Okay. Nombor 5. Pejabat pos. Pejabat pos. Pejabat pos is post office. Very good. So many words we already learned yesterday, right? Yeah, okay. The last word. Nombor 6. Sekolah. Sekolah. Sekolah is what? Very good. It's school. Good job, children. Okay, so look at the questions below. Adakah bangunan-bangunan ini ada di bandar tempat tinggal kamu? That means around your house. Is it there you got see any of the one of the building around your living house? Is it any of the building around your house area? If God means write the name. Okay, in Teacher Suba place, around the Teacher Suba house, I have a pasar raya. So teacher will write here pasar raya. That means supermarket. Yeah, pasar raya. If some of the children's house near, okay. Oh, sorry, teacher write wrongly. Okay, if some children housing area have balai polis, also you can write balai polis. Some children housing area have pejabat pos, also you can write pejabat pos. Okay, teacher Suba housing area, teacher have pasar raya around here. So teacher write pasar raya. Okay, very good, children. Let's go to next. Okay, so now we're going to do our activity book. Our activity book, very easy. Okay, so page number 25. Yes, your textbook page number 1. But teacher already teach you the sounds, right? Okay, you can revise teacher video. Okay, make sure write the day and day. Warnakan jawapan yang betul. So, you should color the correct sound. Okay, picture number 1. It's loching. It's a bell. So, what is the bell sound? Ting, ting, or meow, meow. Which one? Yeah, it's number 1. Ting, ting. So, you should color the box. The correct answer. Okay, very good. And then the rest. Okay, number 2. Okay, what is the whistle sound? Chit chit or preep preep? Yeah, it's preep preep, right? So you should color preep preep. Okay, you color the preep preep. Children, you color nicely. Okay. Don't over the line. Thank you. Okay, next is, yeah, it's a kucing. Okay, kucing. What sound? Meow, meow. Pri, pri. Yes, very good. It's meow, meow. Yeah, good job, and color nicely. Okay, and then the last one is burung. Okay, burung is what sound? Burung sound. Ting, ting. Chit, chit. Yes, cheat, cheat. Good job. Okay, and then color nicely, because teacher no color with the pencil, but you all have a color pencil, so you should color nicely. Okay, children. Okay, so let's go to our worksheet book. Okay, let's go to our worksheet. So open page 25 and your textbook page 2. Also very easy, children. You just tick the correct answer. Okay, look at the first picture. What what place is that? What building is that? Pejabat pos or sekolah? Very good. It's pejabat pos. Okay, so let's write the day and date. Make sure you should complete the worksheet, everything, the homework, everything, and writing the day and date. Okay, children. Okay, and then number 2, number 3, and number 4, do by yourself. Your guiding page is textbook page number 2. Okay, now let's go to Linus, our Bahasa Melayu Linus book. Get ready. Okay. Oh, yes. What is this? Oh, yeah. Many children got say in English. It's a traffic light, Teacher Suba. Yeah, I know. It's a traffic light. We already learned before. But how about in Bahasa Melayu? Who know? Anybody? It's we call in Bahasa Melayu lampu isyarat. Lampu isyarat. Okay, lampu isyarat in English we call traffic light. Yes, traffic light. Bahasa Melayu lampu isyarat. Lampu isyarat. Very okay. How many colors in lampu isyarat? Children, Bahasa Melayu. Okay, first, warna apa lampu isyarat? Warna apa? Ini warna red. Red in Bahasa Melayu is what? Merah. The first color is merah. Nombor 2. Warna apa? Yeah, kuning. Yellow we call in Bahasa Melayu kuning. Kuning. Nombor 3. Very good. Hijau. Hijau. Okay, one more time we read. Merah. Merah. Kuning. Kuning. Hijau. Hijau. Merah. Kuning. Hijau. Okay, go to next. So now make sure write the day and date. After that, okay, after that, you should do, let's read the instruction. Okay, isikan tempat kosong, kemudian warnakan gambar lampu isyarat mengikut ayat yang diberi. Okay, so that's mean what they say, they already give you the colors. You see, merah, hijau, kuning. They already give you the colors there. So what you should do is you read the sentence and then write down the correct answer. After that, you look at here, they already give you the lampu isyarat. So you should color the lampu isyarat according to the sentence. Okay, so teacher give you one example. Okay, nombor 1. Lampu isyarat ada 3 warna, yaitu okay, how many color? There are 3 colors, right? Merah, hijau, kuning. So the 3 colors you should write on the line. Okay, after you write lampu isyarat, you should color how many? Yeah, the 3 circle also you should color, because they say lampu isyarat ada 3 warna. So you should color the 3 colors. Okay, so let teacher show you. Okay, first is what? Red, right? Okay, so take your red color and then color the number 1. Okay, number 2, color kuning. Very good. Then color kuning. Okay, and then the last color is what? Last one is hijau, and then color hijau. Okay, like that. So you see, you should color the lampu isyarat according to the sentence. Okay, so be careful to when you're reading the sentence, and make sure you should understand. Then only you should color the correct light. Okay, very good, children. Okay, so today teacher going to remind the today's homework. First, you should write the day and date, page number 1 and 2, your textbook. Okay, and then next you should take your activity book and finish page number 25, one page only. And then you take your worksheet and then finish page 25. How many pages? One page only. And then the last book is our Linus book Bahasa Melayu, and also you should finish page 35, also one page. Okay, after you that's all, we finish our today's lesson. Thank you, children. Make sure do your homework properly and then drink more water. Do not forget to drink more water, children, and then eat more healthy foods. Then stay home and stay safe. Thank you, children. Bye bye.